Adam. So Adam, yeah, I actually seen this earlier. And to me, Adam is once it moves, it moves. So 12, I would be willing to take it right here. And I will willing to be buying more down here because 1245 is not that much. The upside for Adam, it's facing resistance right here. It breaks out of here. You got 14, on a leverage trade. If the market starts moving up, it's above the 7-day. The 7-day is at 12.12. To me, this is a good trade. If I look at it on the week, it doesn't have a lot of volume right now. The volume is low. If more money is expected to come in, it gets above this level here. It has a lot of resistance right here. But 16 is where it should really fail on a day right now. It's passing this level here. Like, do I have to be scared to take the trade? Let's see, do I have Adam here? Right? I can come here and say, all right, on Adam, let me take the trade. Right? Where do I want to put a buy in on Adam? I'm gonna look at the low of the day. All right, the low of the day is 1168. If I can get it at 12, right, is at 1244, and I see above average buying coming here. I see the volume here. 12 is where I would want it. So why not take two positions? Why not say, hey, if I can get it at 12, it'd be great. But right now I can do 250. I can do 10x. So I don't all right. I can take an order here. I like to do 500 is my normal trade. It tells me that I will get liquidated at 1150. And then I can go in 20x where I really wanted it. Right? And I really wanted it. Maybe I'd be safe and say, hey, you know what? Let me hit the low of the day, 1168. So I'll take it at like so I'm sticking to the same position, right? And now I make my liquidation price, so I'll lose. It'll actually average me down if it fills both of those orders. But this way it ensures that I get into the trade now, so I can risk a small amount. You see my stop here on ETH, so I don't lose out. Opening my loans at certain prices. And these are open orders that I have. I had a loan for AVAX at 1490, right? And it didn't fill. So I can go in and fix it. I had a loan here for Abe. That's how I get in trades without, putting it at the levels that I think they would have hit during that time. But I'm never gonna hop in and at that moment if I don't get a chance to watch it. Right. So right now the market is dropping. That's why I look at this. Right. It tells me that the volume right now for the total market cap is dropping down, but overall it's still a trend. So I know that right now in this moment the market is dropping, but I know where my support levels are. Right. So taking the Atom trade, it is the market overall is dropping. So if you set it a little bit lower, it may be coming down a little bit. Right, fair value gap is here. So you see this is where the resistance on a shorter time frame. So right now in this hour, right, as a day trader, I would say 1239, on a shorter time frame is where the support was at.
Hey, Jamar, how tight do you set your stops generally? Does it depend on the size of the trade or?
Depending on when I get in. If I feel like I'm late up here, I know that now I get to, I don't set a predetermined stop. I'm analyzing the market of like, where's the buying at?
Okay.
So if I got in here on Atom, I know that it could, here's where all the major buying happened. So it can go back possibly down 11.95. That's why I put an order, because this is where the buying happened. Here's a fair value gap, but I want to get in now because I think overall we still got another couple of days of bullish period. So I can get in with a small, manage my risks, right? Get in here and then have another order set down here lower.
Gotcha.
If it breaks both of these, I know I'm wrong, and then I take my loss. That's a trader. I got to be knowing that I can lose, but I have a plan.
You got a backup, right?
I have a backup too. I won't get liquidated. It needs to go down to 11.60 down here. If I don't watch the market by 11.60, then shit, I deserve to lose.
Yeah, you're in trouble then.
Right, because this is a buy area here. It's a buy area here. I'm looking at it on a 1 hour a day. These all have a lot of levels. So if it gets down here, I have another order set, but I shouldn't get liquidated because I'm buying time. Right. And you can look up the history too, right? Like you said, I come here and now go to historical data. I can see what my open and closes was for, Atom, right? 1245, 1172, 1154, 1165. So I have an order, down here, and it gives me a little bit of room, but it's been making higher highs.
Right.
So, and I'm expecting more money to come in the market. I mean, I'm positioned pretty well to take trades going the direction I see the market. Now, if the total market cap was going down, everything is trending down, then I know I should be short. I should expect the drop. But when everything is above the alligator, it's like, hey, I'm bullish. The momentum is up. I'm not going to go against that. Is the market going up or down? Well, it's going up. And throughout the day, it's going to drop and go up and down, but it's trending overall.
Right.
Right. On the day, on the 2 hour and a 4 hour. And I said, if it drops below this area here, that's when I'm going to exit. Because that's the time frames I'm looking at.
Right. Yeah. You trade within the time frames that you,
I trade within my time frames.
Right.
I know that we expect the market to be bullish for the rest of the month, but I'm focused on right now today.
Yep.
I'm trying to get in trades to make money right now. So I had an option to get out. So I'm not wasting my time getting into losing positions.